Is there in the bush? So you go in the bush. Yes. Nice boy. That's 20 ton. Feeding another 20 ton gravel and another 20 ton sand. Sunday early morning. These are people going to church. And such an accident is just happening. It's lucky that it's not really. And it shows all the bowl and not be intact. Some of these bowls are missing. You see?
Don't cut. Look inside, you will see the bowl.
This one, it has all been grand, complete change. The good news now say no man no be here. And driver, you need to change your wheel for your safety. For your safety, you need to change your wheel. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Once we get to the site, about to throw the gravel, I'll keep you guys posted. Ciao. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The truck arrived here but got an accident. The wheels just fell off and I don't know. I really don't get it. I don't know. Like, I'm confused right now with 20-ton gravel and wheels are falling off right there. I don't get it. Like, it's a lot of work to be done right now. The drivers always like to take risks. I don't know why. It's funny. One of these wheels, they are quite expensive, of course, but these guys, they are supposed to get better wheels, check their truck before they go out to carry whatever.
I've been feeling a type for the past 2 days. I get it's fever or something.
So I want to just concoct traditional medicine, fresh plantain leaves, lemongrass right here. I'm gonna wash it properly, then I boil it. They also have bitter leaf. I'm gonna wash this bitter leaf very well, but when it's still a little bit bitter, then I just drink the water. How that got very soon. So if you guys don't get any video for a couple of days, I hope you guys can understand. Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for supporting. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more update on this amazing project. Thank you once more for watching, and stay tuned.